Hi, everyone. We have Maria back with us. Very special video today. Thank you for joining us, Maria.
Hola, guys. Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
It's always a pleasure.
Maria's here bringing her expertise and knowledge on laws in Portugal around cryptocurrencies. Maria is a lawyer here in Portugal, for those of you who don't know. We've done several videos talking about visas and what's happening with crypto, how it evolves in Portugal.
We did,
how crypto-friendly it is.
True. Yes.
And so we have to do this video now where there's rumors rumbling, maybe not rumors, how the tax approach of Portugal towards cryptocurrencies might be changing and how soon that changes. So basically, we're doing this video. Maria's going to be answering your questions of, I'm sure, what everyone wants to know. They've moved to Portugal. They're into crypto. What is going to happen with their requirement to report taxes and what should they be expecting?
Of course. Okay. So this video is really important because everybody's asking the same question. So I'm now in Portugal. I am a tax resident in Portugal, and I just heard that they are planning to tax crypto.
Yes.
So what to do? Okay. So first of all, what they did was a project of a law that's going to be discussed in the parliament for later approval or not.
Okay, so it's a proposal.
It's a proposal.
It's an idea.
Yes, it's a proposal.
Okay.
And what that proposal discusses is not only crypto, discusses several aspects of the budget for 2023, not for 2022. What does this mean? It means that document, that proposal, is addressing all transactions, assets, and so on that will occur from January of 2023 till December of 2023. That will be reported at the taxes that you do, the fill in the tax returns, in April of 2024.
Okay.
Okay? So all the transactions you're doing and you'll still be doing till the end of this year of 2022 are not even addressed in that paper.
Yeah.
So you're good. And if you want to come to Portugal to take advantage of the October, November, and December, please come because you're still good.
Yeah.
Right?
And you mentioned that in a previous video as well. It's the right to an expectation.
There you go.
So you can't retroactively
No.
apply a law. You have to have
Certainty.
awareness of what's going to
Yes.
happen. Yeah.
Yes. So, no. All the transactions done in 2022 are safe, like it was before. Crypto is not regulated yet. Lots of things have to happen for that to occur. That's the first thing. Okay. So, rest in peace. Everything is good, right?
Yeah.
Now, this proposal states that, yes, they are going to regulate crypto, which is good because we all wanted a certainty.
Clarity,
of course, no one
yeah.
wants to pay taxes. That's obvious. That's obvious. But we wanted some kind of certainty. We wanted our transactions to be legit, right? That's occurring. So they are going to somehow describe and consider crypto an asset. That's very good. The other thing is they are proposing several changes. And how is this proposal discussed? They go on the parliament and discuss it with all parties. And then imagine, I really want to tax, something is really important for me, and you don't want to tax crypto, so you say, okay, I will vote for the one you like if you don't vote for the one I like. You know? This kind of negotiations.
Yeah.
So we haven't heard from the parties yet to understand what's each party's position, so we can already anticipate how the negotiation is going to occur. We don't know that.
Okay.
So, okay. Now, what are the changes in this proposal? Like I said before, one of the big changes is they are going to consider crypto an asset, which is good. We all be legit. The second one is they say, okay, if you hold crypto for more than 1 year, we're not going to tax you at all. What about...
Did you hear that, guys?
Yeah, I know. What about those who hold it for less than a year? Those who trade.
Yeah.
Have been trading all this time. Again, continue trading till the end of 2022. Nothing's happening. For those, they are going to have transactions all the time. So I was talking to an accountant earlier today, and I was telling him, look, we can even hire a bot that's doing thousands of transactions per minute.
Yep.
And how are we going to do that. And he says, well, you can do that with the stock market also. And then that bot is going to send you a conclusion of all the transactions.
All the trades,
And at the end says, okay, you invested X and you come with Y. So it's the difference that you do capital gains.
Yeah.
So what are they talking about taxing? They are proposing to tax crypto capital gains at 28% if it's owned for less than a year. If it's owned for more than a year, zero.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's like the worst case scenario.
The worst case scenario.
Okay.
They are also doing stamp tax on transactions with crypto 4%. What is that? The stamp tax at 4% is for an exchange that's in Portugal. When you purchase, imagine you go on Kraken, and I said that because
we like Kraken.
We like Kraken. You made me like Kraken because you
it's
set
a
up
good
my
exchange.
account and I'm addicted. So when we buy, they charge us a fee, and those 4% are going to be in that fee. That stamp tax is going to be.
So
in
it's
that
4% of the value of the trade.
When you buy and when you purchase, yes.
Okay.
That the exchange is the one that's going to charge the 4% stamp tax.
Okay.
So it's already included in those little letters you find at the end of each transaction that explains where your money went for the fees and so on. That's where you're going to find the 4%. Okay. So basically, what is very, very, very important to retain from this video, this first video, because Heidi already agreed to have videos weekly discussing this matter because we believe it's very important for all of you.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So, very important. All the transactions you're doing in 2022, everything you did 2022 is not taxed. It remains the same. What you have now is a proposal of a law. And that proposal is going to be discussed in the parliament in the next month. I
was going to ask, what was that time frame of it?
Now. Okay. They are going to start discussing it now. Yes. So we just received
So this is going to be your place to get up-to-date info on everything that has to do with crypto tax in Portugal.
Right. So they are going to discuss it. And so many things have to happen for that to come to place, because even if they approved it, they may have to move really fast in order to change the law.
In time for 2023.
In time, yes.
Okay.
But they start planning it now, so you and your expectations start being informed that might change, so you cannot come and say, oh no, I didn't know any of that.
I see.
Right? I even discussed it with you earlier that you said, well, we can have a piece of crypto.
Yeah, have your 1 year plus group of crypto that you're holding for a year, and you can
then you
that out
sell
tax-free.
That one. Yes.
Yeah, and then you have your group that you're trading with and accumulating, and then send it over and let it bake for a year.
Well, the thing is, Heidi, I would say, but Heidi, then Bitcoin goes up because I can't wait.
Oh yeah, of course.
And then I'm not going to wait till it go down again. Right? And I hold that Bitcoin for a year. So now it went to 68. I'm selling it when it goes to 68. So I sell it to USDC.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Stablecoin. Yeah.
Shouldn't I?
I'll hold it in stablecoins. Yeah.
Then I hold it in that stablecoin. The only thing is, if I already had a year, then I have to wait another year, right? Right?
Yep. Because of trade.
Because I trade.
Yeah.
So it will start from the scratch. That's the thing, guys. They haven't explained anything because I don't think they know much about crypto. No. So they have to keep giving us more information, and we will give you that information.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, that's the thing. Hold for a year, 0 taxes.
Still pretty freaking nice.
And it's a proposal. It's not a law yet.
Yeah.
And like I told you before, I'm studying a way to do a petition that if I do it, I'm going to ask for your help to sign it. So I will explain them why that's not even a good idea, the 28%. So we'll talk about that later on in another video. But for now, what I really wanted for you to know is that continue to do your transactions, continue doing everything you can breathe. Everything you're doing this year is okay, not taxed. Continue doing until the 31st of December. If you're not in Portugal, please come. You still have plenty of time.
Yeah, and reasons to come to Portugal.
That's true. Yes. Because if you are looking for a 0 tax country for everything.
Yeah.
Then you have like Saudi Arabia,
Yeah.
but you don't want to do that. You want to be in the best country of them all. Good food, good people, no violence, right? And enjoy your crypto friendliness.
Yeah. I mean, there's finance reasons, there's lifestyle reasons, there's freedom reasons of why you want to live anywhere. And for me personally, Portugal checks almost all the boxes.
Almost.
Well, I mean, this new tax thing could be a little tricky, but just a little headache.
No, but we'll find a way.
Yeah.
We always find a way.
Yeah, exactly. So anyway, I think generally this is good news, and hopefully this will give you guys some relief of those who wanted more clarity. Speaking from someone who is Portuguese, who can actually read the Portuguese law and translate it, and, you know, not only just like language translate it, but also mentally translate it so that we can understand as well. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
What you're providing to people is so important. And if you guys have still been thinking of moving to Portugal, or you're here in Portugal and you just want to get more information or have an expert to talk to, Maria is amazing.
Thank you, Heidi.
Her information is here in the video that you can see below Maria. And also down below in the video description, there's a link you can actually click on to find her website to get into contact with Maria. So we'll see you next week.
Yes.
And
see
thank
you next week.
Everyone for watching. Hit like and subscribe. We'll see you then.
Ciao.
Bye.